Most people mix these two up and end up confused when their money doesn't show up the way they expect. Here's the truth, no one tells you. A Steam gift card and Steam Wallet are connected, but they are not the same thing, and understanding this difference can save you from failed payments and wrong purchases. In this video you'll learn exactly how Steam gift cards work, what Steam Wallet really is, and which one you should use in 2026 depending on your situation. Let's start simple. A Steam gift card is a physical or digital code. You buy it from a store or online, and it has a value like $10, $20, or $50. Think of it like a prepaid voucher. For example, Alex buys a Steam gift card from Amazon, scratches the code, and enters it into Steam. Now here's what happens next. When you redeem that gift card, the value does not stay as a card inside Steam. It gets converted directly into Steam Wallet balance. That is the key point most people miss. So Steam Wallet is not something you buy separately. It is your actual in-platform balance stored inside your Steam account. It is what you use to buy games, DLTS, and in-game items. Now here's where it gets interesting. People think they can use a Steam gift card and the Steam Wallet in different ways, like choosing between them at checkout. That is not true. Once the gift card is redeemed, everything becomes Steam Wallet funds automatically. Let's take a real example. John buys a $25 Steam gift card. He redeems it. Now, his Steam Wallet shows $25. He goes to buy a game. At checkout, Steam simply deducts from his wallet. There is no separate gift card option anymore. But here's the problem. Many users also think Steam Wallet has extra features or expiration rules tied to gift cards. It doesn't. Steam Wallet balance behaves the same regardless of how you funded it. Whether it came from a gift card, a refund, or direct top-up, it all works the same inside Steam. Now, let's talk about flexibility. Steam Wallet is more convenient because it is already inside your account. You don't need codes or redemption steps. But Steam gift cards are useful when you want to give someone money for Steam without sharing account details. So which one is better? It depends on your goal. If you are buying for yourself, Steam Wallet is simply the result of adding funds. If you are gifting, then a Steam gift card is the delivery method. To summarize, a Steam gift card is just a way to add money, and Steam Wallet is where that money ends up. They are not competitors. One becomes the other after redemption. Now you understand the full system, and you won't confuse the two again when buying or redeeming Steam funds. If this helped clear things up, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more simple Steam guides that actually make things easy to understand.